In this video, we will cover how to program ESP32 using Arduino. First, let's get to know a development board that can be expanded with any module. This is a maker board based on ESP32, integrating IoT, the Internet of Things, AI voice, and the simplicity of Arduino. We will introduce the modules that can be connected to the Artikit in the following video. It can be connected to RGB LED modules, OLED infrared human sensor modules, carbon dioxide sensor modules, infrared receiver and transmitter modules, light sensor modules, temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure sensor modules, speaker modules, active buzzer modules, relay modules, motor driver modules, and microphone modules. Now, let's take a look at a very beautiful RGB module. We'll use this module to demonstrate programming result. Here, we don't need complex wiring, just follow my instructions and you will be able to do it. If it's your first time downloading an ESP32 program, you need to first install the ESP32 development board on Arduino. Click on Tools in the menu bar, hover over Boards, and then click on Boards Manager. Here, type ESP32 and find the board developed by Expressive Systems. Click Install. Since I've already installed it, it shows Remove here. Then, write the code to make a RGB LED flash. Define the number of LEDs. Define the number of colors. Define the output pin, which corresponds to the pin connected to our board. Define the LED module type. Define the maximum brightness of the LED. This is an initialization function. The execution of the program begins with the first call to the initialization function. This is the loop function of the program. You can understand it as a while-one statement. Click the Upload button to write the program onto the Artikit. The first compilation may take a while, so please be patient. You can modify parameters such as max bright or the delay time to achieve different effects. What can the RGB module be used for? You can make home atmosphere lights to create a favorite atmosphere, decorate your computer case, and combine it with a temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure sensor module to make a thermometer that indicates temperature with light. You can imagine as much as possible what you can do with RGB, and leave a message in the comment section for us to discuss together on how to achieve it. If you need all my code, I'm also very willing to share. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Follow us and we will continue to update the modules supported by Artikit.